What we want is not to talk about Bengali, Punjabi, Sindhi. Yes, they are units, they are provinces. Put on. Yes. But I ask you, have you forgotten the lesson that Islam taught us 13 centuries ago? And I think you will agree with me that whatever else you may be or wherever you are, you're a Muslim. That you have now carved out a territory, vast territory. It is all yours. It doesn't belong to a Punjabi or a Bengali or a Sindhi. It's yours. You got your central government where every unit and every province is represented. Therefore, if you want to build up yourself into a nation and get rid of this poison, give up this provincialism. You are only voicing my sentiments and the sentiments of millions of Muslims when you say that Pakistan should be based on pure foundations of social justice and Islamic socialism, not otherism. Brotherhood, equality, fraternity of man, these are all the basic points of our religion, culture and civilization. And we fought for Pakistan because there was danger of denial of these human rights in this continent. After all, the story of Pakistan and its struggle and its achievement is a very story of great human ideals struggling to survive in the face of odds and difficulties. Let us now plan to build and reconstruct and regenerate our great nation. Now is the time, chance and opportunity for every Muslim to make his or her fullest and best contribution and make the greatest sacrifice and work ceaselessly and selflessly in the service of our nation and make Pakistan one of the greatest